Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on Netflix. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default app settings, and above you will search about the application of Netflix. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.